Stop saving cash seriously. Every year, your money quietly loses value. Inflation is a silent thief. Most people don't even notice. Cash buys less each year. Even small savings lose value. Cash feels safe until it isn't. Banks offer almost no interest. Inflation quietly erodes your savings. Bank failures can wipe out value. Smart investors convert some cash into real assets. Silver is one of the safest assets. Silver has been real money for thousands of years, long before paper currency existed. Cash loses value, silver preserves it. Silver cannot be printed out of thin air. You hold the asset directly. No middleman, no approval, no fees. Silver isn't about getting rich overnight. It preserves purchasing power for decades. Start small. Even $50 or $100 a week adds up. Buy from reputable sources and store securely. Secure storage is essential. Insured vaults provide additional safety. Consistency over time creates wealth. Cash erodes while silver retains value. Silver also hedges against market crashes. Silver protects your wealth in crises. Daily habits. Build long-term security. Wealthy people think long-term. History proves cash loses value in crises. Silver has consistently preserved wealth. Cash erodes quietly. Silver protects. Owning silver gives you financial independence. You control your wealth. Even small investments grow over time. Silver is a safety net. Diversifying with silver reduces risk. Quality and authenticity matter. Store them safely to ensure protection. Even small weekly contributions accumulate. Silver preserves purchasing power over decades. Cash may seem convenient, but it quietly drains wealth. Silver is tangible and universally recognized. Visualizing the difference makes it clear. Silver acts as insurance for your wealth. Even small investments now protect your future. Silver has preserved value through every crisis. You can build lasting financial freedom. Control, security, and stability all in your hands. Small steps today lead to big results tomorrow. Protect your purchasing power from inflation. Take control of your financial future. Consistency compounds wealth. Silver has intrinsic value that cannot be printed. It grows while protecting your wealth. Silver gives financial independence and freedom. Protect, grow, and control your money. Start today and secure your wealth for the future.